Hey, noise fighters! Sick of traffic or neighbor chatter sneaking through your windows? Good news, you can soundproof them without a pricey replacement. Here's how you can do it today. First, seal the leaks. Sound loves gaps, so grab weather stripping tape or foam seals and apply them around your window frames. Add acoustic caulk to cracks. Check for light leaks because if light gets in, noise does too. Next, add a barrier. Install window inserts, custom acrylic panels that fit snugly inside your existing frames. They can cut noise by up to 50% and they're renter-friendly. No drilling required. Step 3, hang heavy curtains. Thick soundproof curtains or thermal drapes with a high STC rating absorb sound waves and add a cozy vibe. Double them up for extra punch. For a quick fix, try window film. This thin layer dampens vibrations and blocks some noise, perfect if you're on a budget. Or drape a soundproof blanket temporarily during loud times. Test it out. Play some music or listen for outside sounds at different times. Tweak with more caulk or an extra layer if needed. By tonight, your windows will be fortress-like without breaking the bank. Ready for quiet? Start soundproofing now and enjoy the peace.